Hello everyone, it's Blues Brion, and today we are filming the Siren test. You can see a Thunderbolt siren down there. Near it over there is a 2001. So we think this might be a 1003 because I think I might see solenoids. I think we got one more minute. Nope.
Minute and a half.
Yep.
If they set it on time.
Get ready for the loud. By the way, guys, jump scare warning coming soon, just so you know. Because these things sound off unexpectedly. Sorry about the low focus, it's a little hard. I think we got one more minute.
It's 11:59.
Yup, okay. Less than a minute.
Around there.
Oh, I think it just hit 20.
11:59. It's 11:59. It's 11:59.
It should be 12 now.
It's 12 o'clock.
Alright,
It's 12 o'clock.
any second now they'll sound off.
Some
Jump scare warning.
trying to get adjusted here.
I'm ready though. Okay, so it's a 1000 series, A series. Chopper level 4. 1 RPM. That's the Thunderbolt siren test of May 6th, 2020. Now, we got an extra thing for you. If you can tell over here, we're going to also have a quick elevator ride. These are currently not.
Oh, hang on. Hang on, buddy.
That forgot something. Alright, anyway, these are codename model space elevators. And
Oh, we need. We're going the wrong way. We're on top of a parking garage here.
Yeah. But yeah. So these are codename model space elevators at the Mammoth parking garage. Now, this elevator right here sounds a little scary because I rode it before we did the siren test. And let's just say it sounds a little scary. So we're going to go down. You should see the, yep, here it is. Go down. Alright. So we're going down to ground. Door closing. Whee! Yeah. Like I said, a little scary. Let's just hope the elevator doesn't get stuck. Alright. Nope, looks like we're good. Yep, we're good indeed. Alright. That's it, everyone. See you soon.